Hey everyone, in this video we're going to cover how to add text to your execute screens to provide useful information, instructions, links, or other info to make it easier for your new or occasional users to remember what is needed. Let's get started. Here we are in our AFE record within execute. We could do this for any record type on any of our custom tabs. But what we're looking at is we'd like to add some instruction text up at the very top of this screen. So to do that, we can jump over into our configuration and we can do a quick search for our custom tabs, which is where all of our screen layouts are defined. And because this is an AFE one, we can quickly jump to, again, through our search, to our document types of AFE, find our general tab, and we'll go ahead and view that. So we see a list of all of the fields that have been set up in their ordering. And now we're going to edit that such that we're going to add a new section of text here. And so with that, we're going to put a section called AFE instructions with some general instruction information. One of the nice things about adding text is you can define text in Markdown, which the system understands and will format it accordingly. So the little number sign or hash symbol indicates that this is a header. Our little asterisk around the AFE means to bold that. So we'll add that. We'll just drag that right up to the very top of our screen. And so now we've got our screen configured how we want it. We can jump back into our AFE. We can do a quick refresh. We now see this text section with a nice formatted header and some bold text there. We might want to add other context, maybe halfway down the screen. We're wanting to interrupt some of these fields here, maybe defining that this section is well details with a few links to some other info. So again, we can come back to our configuration. We'll go in, we'll edit that. We'll add another text section here for our well details, and we'll just drag that somewhere up maybe above our well name here. And very easily with that, if we head back into our AFE record, refresh, we're now seeing this well details section where we could add any number of instructions for what info might need to be required to be entered below. Again, as a reminder to those occasional or new users entering data into the system. So just to give you another example here, I'll go in and I'll edit my initial instruction here, and we'll add quite a bit more text to that. So I'll throw in what's called a block quote. So this little angle bracket shows that this will be in a block quote format. We've got a couple of different lists here. We've got another bulleted list that will be first, second, and third instructions, or maybe a numbered list that will be 1, 2, 3. And you can also include hyperlinks with a title and then the link hidden behind, as well as email addresses. So if you're administrators, you want individuals to reach out to certain people for help. Maybe you have some training materials already captured in SharePoint. You can create hyperlinks to those materials. And so once we've made that change and set done, we can head back into our AFE record. We'll do another F5 to refresh, and we now see our lists and our hyperlinks, and that can take us out to any of the sites that we may have referenced. This could be regulatory sites, etc. You can build these text widgets in context of a panel. Those panels can have conditional rules around when they're shown or hidden. So if you're operating in different jurisdictions, you could have help text specific to that jurisdiction, configurable based on perhaps what area this AFE or this well belongs to. Hope this has been a helpful video and look forward to the next one. Thanks.